Hello, dear viewers. It's a pleasure to have you back on our channel. Today, we're embarking on a deeply moving journey as we explore the lives of new Muslims in Spain. An incredible article on Arab News has unveiled the heartfelt stories of individuals who have embraced Islam, and we're here to dive deep into their experiences. A spiritual path. Rediscovered. Have you ever wondered what inspires people from diverse backgrounds to embark on a new spiritual journey? Well, in this fascinating article from Arab News, we are introduced to a group of new Muslims in Spain who have taken the profound step of embracing Islam. They each share their unique stories of how they discovered the beauty and wisdom of Islam and how it has transformed their lives. With an earnest expression, one interviewee recounts their initial encounters with Islamic teachings. They talk about the powerful impact that the Quran's verses had on them, sparking a sense of curiosity and contemplation. Their journey to embrace Islam led them to explore its teachings further, finding solace and a renewed purpose in their newfound faith. Overcoming challenges on the path. Just like any transformative journey, embracing a new faith can come with its set of challenges. The Arab News article sheds light on the hurdles these new Muslims in Spain have faced and how they've navigated through them. Sharing a candid perspective, an interviewee discusses the trials they encountered on their path to becoming a new Muslim. From learning a new language, such as Arabic, to adapting to the customs and practices, their story underscores the determination and courage it takes to overcome these obstacles. Building bonds and finding community. It's often said that a sense of community can provide incredible support and belonging. In the article, we delve into how these new Muslims have found a sense of camaraderie and belonging within the Muslim community in Spain. With a warm smile, another interviewee recounts their heartwarming experience of connecting with fellow Muslims. They discuss the inclusive and welcoming nature of the community, highlighting the friendships and relationships that have blossomed as they embraced their new faith. Celebrating the triumphs. Every journey is filled with moments of triumph that make the challenges worthwhile. The Arab News article showcases the accomplishments and personal growth of these new Muslims, shedding light on the positive transformations that have taken place. With a glow of confidence, an interviewee shares their personal growth since embracing Islam. They discuss newfound strengths, self-awareness, and a sense of purpose that has uplifted their spirits and driven them to achieve remarkable milestones. And there you have it, our captivating exploration of the journey of new Muslims in Spain as beautifully depicted in the Arab News article. The stories of these individuals serve as a testament to the power of faith, resilience, and the human spirit. If you're curious to dive deeper into their experiences, make sure to check out the full article linked below. Before we part ways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay enlightened and stay curious.